Welcome to another video. All right, now let's find angle XYZ. Okay, so angle XYZ, so we want this side. Okay, so this is one of the properties of circuit theorems. Now let's get started. All right, now line XY is a diameter. Okay, once line XY is a diameter, now let's not drawn to scale. So if I do this and I say AB is a diameter, it means the angle that subtends the circumference here, okay, forms 90 degrees. So angle ACB is equals 90 degrees. All right, now knowing this condition will help us solve this question. Okay, all right, so remember that angle X, okay, angle XZY, because XY is a diameter, so this side is 90. So to solve for angle XYZ will be very simple. Remember, XYZ is a triangle. Okay, XYZ, okay, is a triangle. So angles in the triangles add up to, okay, 180 degrees. Now when you're in this, so if this side is alpha and this side is beta, this side is gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma will give you 180 degrees. All right, now from here angle YXZ plus, so let's solve them proper. So angle YXZ plus angle, so we mean this side, that is a 35, plus angle XZY plus angle XYZ equals to 180. Okay, so angle YX is 35 degrees plus Z, that is 90. So this side is 90 plus angle XYZ equals to 180. So 90 plus 35, 5, 10, 12. So we have 125 plus angle XYZ equals 180. Therefore, angle XYZ, so that would be 180 minus 125. Okay, so angle XYZ, so 180, 125, 10, 5, 7, 5. So we have 55 degrees. Okay, as the answer. So it means angle XYZ here, so this side is simply 55, and since this side is a diameter, so the angle here is 90. So XY is a diameter. Okay, so that's that. All right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.